Alright, so them say you have to show all of the money, so you can show some of the money. So I look exactly how much of the money them say me can show, and I start to put it together and I say me go show the money there. So me show it, I never show all of it. I remember say the money when them ask you for show is not your school fee. Them ask you for show the money if you take care of yourself for a year. So the proof of the source of funding or the proof of financial aid or whatever they call it. That is for your lifestyle, not school per se, but your lifestyle. So them now come up with that thing when them say in order to live in Canada for a year, it a go cost you, and them come up with what them think cost of living is. Me no say me am Isa, so me know that and my cost of living. But them say if you live a regular life, them would say, alright, you have to spend, you know, for example, they must say you have to spend 10,000 for the year in order to live a normal life. So you need to show me, say, you can come here, come live in Canada at least couple months without working. That is what they want you for sure. So I want to show them 50% of what them ask for or something like that. I want to say them the ask for, I remember, but at the time I want to say about 8,000 them say a cost of living for the year. I want to say show them, but you know, somewhere halfway there. So I start, you know, get my little bank statement them also. I'm gonna put them there together. And what else? Them ask you for the job, your job now. Remember, say you have a job now, right? Your current job. Now, if you now work, I want to say to go work against you. But I'm not going to say it because I don't know your full case. You have to tell me what your full case is for me. Can actually comment on it based on my experience and some people me help with for them, you know, applying process. Now, when it comes to having a job, now remember, you know, me they apply this about me, right? And me want to get through before December. Me I plan for go to school January 2018. So me I do it like almost 9 months ahead of time. So if me tell them say me currently at work, them know gonna say if me stay in my job, you know, them gonna say me can make X amount of money. In a job letter, them have to tell that. Them have to tell how much money currently I make. So them can add it up and say me can make X amount of money until them time there if me stay in my job. And them can also think about if them give me the visa early, me can come to Canada, come work, because yes, once you get your visa, you can come here as a student and work regular 40 hours until school start. While you're outside of school, like school now keep, like holiday time, you can also work 40 hours for your study permit. And during school, you can work 20 hours per week as a part-time worker. So that is something you need to keep in mind. And them know that. So them know say you might not have all of the money for sure. But me say the more money you have for sure, the better it is for you. Now you also have to keep in mind but the money where you show depending on how much dependent you have. For me, I don't go in me alone. Alright? If you have pitney, the money become more. I remember tell you, even if you tell them say you not carry your pitney with you, them still are gonna look at it as this is somebody that is depending on you and you need to be financially responsible for that child. You understand? And me talk about that based on experience because me help somebody with their one pitney. So them are gonna look on that even if your pitney now come with you. And you see, if you have a man, now Canada story when it comes to relationship, it don't have to be somebody where you're married to. You can have a common law partner. Once you're there with somebody for 5 years and wanna pay bills together and living at the same residence, Canada see that as a common law partner. That is somebody which is legally binding to you, where you can even bring them up on your documents, even though you don't married. So if you even want to bring up your common law partner, you can do that too. But remember, say if you're gonna bring up your common law partner, you still have to show the money. And remember, say the money is not about school. The money is, can I take care of you and me and other responsibilities while we're in Canada for how many months? Can we do that? And I saw them look on it. All right, other things we need to note in the process, in the application process for your visa. Yeah, I know the application process for your visa pretty long, and me sorry about the video say it's so long. I'm gonna try my best to cut it properly. I know I ramble a lot, so hopefully you get some good information from it. All right, so another thing you need to know them look at when it comes to your application process is your travel history. are you currently traveling? You know, if you're not travel, it play down upon you. As me say, work play down. If you're not work, it play down upon you. Me not say it impossible for you get it. Me not say that because me is not an immigration officer. Me just I tell you what me read and me know from experience. It played down on your case. Me did have a good case. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. Me did have a good case because me travel. You understand? I was traveling before me even applied for school. Me did a travel come go to US, go visit couple times before me even plan for go to Canada. I go US couple times. Once I go US, maybe 3 times before I apply for go to Canada in 2017. Or maybe 4 times too. But between 3 and 4 times. I apply, I go US, I go the US before I apply for go Canada. I also go Antigua, I go Montserrat. So I go 3 different countries. So overall I go 3 different countries before me. I mean a long time story. Between 2015 and 2017, I travel to them 3 different countries there. And once I travel approximately six times. You know, overall. I want to say, because I travel to Antigua and then them look upon it like just traveling all about. So I want to say I have 6 different flights then. In all of that time. So my travel history did look good. Now that look good too. Some things I see, it never happened to me, but as I tell you, yeah, it happened to somebody I know. If you get turned down for your visa, you have to tell them. Even if I don't want Canadian visa you get turned on for, tell them say you get turned on for your American visa. Tell them say you get turned on for your England visa. Tell them say you get turned on, but them know that, but them know what go on. And see if you have any one of them look a complication upon you or something where somebody have to think about what me so write the letter, write the explanation letter. If your case is not straightforward and sit here and eat this and me this and me can read it and everything can come together, write the letter to explain to them and say this is what did happen, right? So once them can read that, them can know. If you go for your American visa, you know say there's an interview process, right? Where you have to go and you talk to them and you tell them about you know, your case and whatever. That I think is very good because you get to explain some things with the case where paper it not straightforward on paper. Canada, me see people say them go for interview, me can't fight them. My case overall is a pretty straightforward case where you can read off a paper. So me never go for no interview, none at all. So I put everything for myself on paper, and on paper I look pretty good. I look good on paper, no joke. So if you think something on your paper might be questionable, write the letter because it is not guaranteed that you will have an interview with them. And the people who me know who say them get interview is very few people. And I don't know them personally. The people who must get say them get interview are people who read on forums. And forums are my join and so. And them people who hear say them get interview. And them have some very complicated case where I think somebody that need to sit down and talk to them for hear what go on. So use a letter of explanation there for talk about what you need to say. Alright, so I'm gonna just add this in because this is also a part of the application process. I know a lot of people think about this. So people always ask me, when do I pay my school fee? Do I pay my school fee before I go to school? Like, no. They must ask me, do I pay my school fee before I apply for my visa or after I apply for my visa? And my answer to that question is, it depends upon your case. If your case is complicated or you have some gray areas that you don't sure and you think paying a school fee will make you look more financially responsible, then go ahead, pay your school fee before you apply for your visa. Also note that when you do pay your school fee before you get your visa, just read the gray areas in your school fee here because enough people don't get back their school fee. And if you even do get it back on everything you get. So know when you pay school fee, what gonna happen to your money if you don't get through with the visa. That every school have that on them side. Now when you apply for school, quick, I never remember to tell you this. When you apply for school, you have to choose a DLI, like the designated learning institution. If you want me to go into which school you can choose and which school you can't choose, tell me and we'll tell you about that. And make sure say you know, say if you do a postgraduate course and you want a postgraduate work permit, you have to go on public school. If you go on private school, you're in a problem, right? And it's a very gray area that. So you have to think about that too. Alright, thank you for watching. You know, today we spoke about the application process. We talk about why travel history important. We talk about financial assistance and support, and you know where to find it, how to get it, where to do, how much them want to see, how much you can show. It different for everybody, how your situations differ, and you know just a lot about the application process. About, yeah, when you pay school fee. Now, me gonna tell you when me pay my school fee. Me pay my school fee before me go foreign. That after me get my visa and before me go foreign. So you see in the next episode, me gonna talk about some things somebody have to do after me get my visa and before me go foreign.